आजकल lately I've started watching TikTok. तो उसमें एक इंडियन जर्नलिस्ट फरमा रहे थे, आई नो he's a raw agent, he's a major from the army, then into journalism, so one knows where they're coming from. I'm a politician too. So he said, भंड मारा है जरदारी साहब ने $100 billion का के. तो ये भंड नहीं है, ये हकीकत है. इंशाल्लाह होगा और आप करेंगे. हमारी सिर्फ आपके साथ दुआएं भी होगी और स्ट्रगल भी. हम आपके साथ हर काम करने के लिए तैयार हैं. I'm not asking you to come to Sindh and put up your industries. Put them up here where you are because you're already comfortable here. Why would I take you out of here and tell you कि वहाँ में आपको सस्ता? But inshallah we will get the pipeline. Now that the Saudis and the Iranians are getting together, there is no reason for you not to get that pipeline. And मैंने border तक बनाई हुई है. Till the Irani border, the pipeline is there. It just has to be connected to your own pipeline, which is not more than 40-50 miles. So that is a big hope for Pakistan. Then border, say, LPG is a big hope, which is cheaper than the world. $6 है या ऐसा कुछ है. ये जो भी आपको कह $8 या $10 उसको बोलो खुदा का वास्ता है. पहले बहुत तूने कमीशन खा ली, अब छोड़ दे. Just talk like that, frank. It's a fact. Who doesn't know? आप नेट पे आप बैठो, आपको हर किस्म की मिल जाती है सेल परचेज. रात को आप लॉक इन कर लो प्राइस, सुबह को आपकी प्राइस दूसरी है. ये सारे बैठे होते हैं नेट पे, सब लगे हुए होते हैं, पैसे बना के उठते हैं सुबह को, 2 घंटा भी अगले नेट पे डालते हैं. तो yes, so good. I want you all to be rich. When all of you are rich, then the country is rich. If only my family is rich or a couple of political families are rich, Pakistan is not rich. Pakistan is rich when you are all rich. And obviously, once you make money, you don't mind giving. You don't mind giving the taxes that I'm owed. You don't mind paying the country. You don't mind giving because you are happy in your state. You're in a happy place. If I put you in a miserable place and then keep grinding you for more taxes, obviously you're not happy and you are not going to pay. And what are the banks going to do? They can't take over your industries. If they take over, there's nobody buyer. There's no buyer at all. Who wants to buy? Who wants to come and buy in a bad capacity? Yes, in a good capacity, there's another market. In a bad capacity, there's another market. But always when there is blood on the streets, there is hope. That's the time to crunch it. There's a recession in the world. This is the time to crunch it. So we shall, inshallah, get together and work. It's not the question that we can do or the government can do or anybody can do it alone. It has to be this platform that comes, stands with me, and we go even dig trenches if we have to and work together. So togetherness is the key to get to Pakistan's better future, not for you or for me. We are comfortable. We could retire any time. But no, our coming generations of our generations of our generation, unka kya banega? Look at the population growth. How the hell are we going to pay for them? Currencies are dollar denominated. Even they have a Lehman Brothers failure. If Barack Obama had not been there and if he hadn't pumped money into the banks, it would have been a 1920 kind of recession. All industries would have been shut. But he managed. He poured in money into the banks and now those banks are running fine. So somebody has to understand. So thank you, gentlemen, for having me here. As always, it's been nice to meet you again. A lot of old faces, a lot of old friends. But let's meet as often as we can. And I'm at your service. Thank you, gentlemen. God bless.
Just 1 minute, if you can sit. I want you to sit for 1 second.
Sorry?
अगर आप 1 मिनट बैठें.
Sure, मैं 2 मिनट बैठता हूँ और क्या रहे हैं?
I would request the House to give a standing ovation to our President, who has been a friend of
sample. No sample.
जी जरदारी साहब, आप पूछना चाह रहे हैं, आप इस हुकूमत के हावी हैं, क्या ये हुकूमत अपनी मुद्दत पूरी करेगी और क्या पीपल्स पार्टी इस हुकूमत के इख्तिताम तक साथ रहेगी? क्या पीपल्स पार्टी इस हुकूमत के इख्तिताम तक मुद्दत पूरी करने तक साथ नहीं छोड़ेगी? आजकल जरा इसके हवाले से बातें होगी।
बेटा मैं तो टेक्सटाइल पे बात करने हैं, उस सियासत पे बात करनी है तो बिला बिला उस आ जाना।
टेक्सटाइल पे बात है, सवाल है, टेक्सटाइल पे सवाल ये है कि
सर पहली बात है कि मैंने किसी को धोखा नहीं दिया है, तो PMLN को मैं धोखा नहीं दूंगा। अल्लाह हाफिज।
कैसे कैसे सितारे डूब गए, खूबसूरत नजारे डूब गए, ख्वाबों के सभी किनारे छूट गए, गमजदा दुख के मारे डूब गए। कितनी मुश्किल का सामना है यहां, कितने लोगों के प्यारे डूब गए। आओ मिलकर करें मदद सबकी, जिनके सारे सहारे डूब गए। आजमाइश में मिलकर एक हुए, नफरतों के इशारे डूब गए। कितने प्यारे हमारे डूब गए। कौमी सानहे की सूरत हाल से लम्हा बलम्हा बोल रखेगा बाखबर। गम की इस घड़ी में बोल तारकीने वतन के अहले खाना के साथ खड़ा है।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।